Your success all depends on the second letter of that word. You. I know you think it can never happen for you. I know you feel like it can never happen in your lifetime. I know you feel like you're not worthy. But this is your year. This is your time. But it all starts with you. You have to believe it in your heart of hearts. You have to let your past go, one step at a time. I know you in a hole, a deep hole that you feel like you can never climb out of. I was once in that deep hole too. And then I had an epiphany. I woke up a different person. I prayed and I prayed for the change to come. And it came. But I was forced to execute, just like you're forced to execute. Your time is now. If not now, when? If not you, who? You just gotta understand, anyone that ever succeeded at a high level, any team that ever won a championship, listen to me. Every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. I need you to come up out of your shell and overcome your fears. You were put here to impact the world. This is your year to win. This is your year to shine. This is your year to tap into your wildest dreams of being great. For years you've had a loser's mentality, but now it's time to transform that loser's mentality and change it into a winner's mindset. So when you see a challenge, it's never a problem. When you see an opportunity, it's never a burden. When you see a hurdle, it's not an unbreakable wall. It's a barrier that you can run through. See, winners say it may be difficult. Winners say it may be hard, but it's possible. Losers say it may be possible, but it's just too difficult. Winners see the game. Losers see the pain. Winners see the possibilities. Losers see the problems. Winners make it happen. Losers let it happen. This is your year to win. Eliminate the word loser from your vocabulary. Eliminate the word loser from your life. Your journey to the next level. Your journey to greatness. Your journey to places that you never thought you could go. Your journey to things that you never thought you could achieve starts with one single step. Change your mindset, and you can change your life. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. You're no longer small-minded. You're no longer average-minded. Today, you become great-minded. This is a great year.